Spoiler alert, this is not going to work. So what I'm trying to do is debug an error that when my user deletes the last page in my app, the app crashes. And this shouldn't be happening. And so before I try to fix this error though, I am just making some changes to the UI of the delete button. And it's just a simple H stack with some text and a spacer. And after that, I'm going to go in my function. And as you can see, I even added a comment saying that we can handle some errors, but we're not going to because we don't need to here. But I think that wasn't true. And so in order to handle this error, I'm going to be pasting in some more code. And so what this does is it basically checks that if the index being passed in is greater than or equal to tab model array.count, then it just returns and it doesn't execute any of the other code. And so the basis of this is like, if you imagine that I have 3 pages in the app, they have indexes of 0, 1, and 2. And so if somebody tries to call like delete index 3 or even higher, then the function would just return and it wouldn't execute any other code. And so after I do this, I'm going to try to run my app. And unfortunately, the issue still persists, which means that I'm going to have to try something else. And I hope that this is kind of just showing you guys that debugging is often a long process and your first try at a solution may not work, but don't get disheartened and just keep going. Happy coding!